How are you? Today we're going to draw a nice flower. It's called daffodil flower. Let's begin from the top part. We draw the detailing like this. It's little funnel shape on the top. Alright. Few petals are upside down like this from the base of the funnel shape petal. We're going to draw the third one here. This is the fourth and the last one. Let's draw a long stick like this. It's little curve, so we are going to draw two lines, one each parallel to the other. Let's draw the leaves like this. Because the leaves are taller, so it's bended in the middle and then again going to downward. So first it's go for upward direction, then it's go for downward direction. Few details for the flowers you see here. All right. Let's put the purple color in this case along with the outlines here. We're going to put the shades at the bottom and one side of the flower. Let's put few lines like this. For this petal, few lines like this. Then let's put a green shade all over the body. It's like a light purple shade here. In the body, the green in the sticks. The dark green for the leaves here. All right, few details we can draw along the leaves and the petals. As you see here, the drawings visually nice. Little dark shade here in the bottom part, also in this bottom part. Mm-hmm. Alright, so the drawing of the flower is complete. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.